TikTok. Maybe you love it, or maybe you hate it. Whichever side you're on, doesn't really matter, because no one can deny the massive amount of opportunity on the platform. With just one viral video, you could instantly become the next internet sensation or scale your business overnight. And to be honest, I've been sleeping on it. So I just had to shoot my shot and give it a try. In this video, I'll be building a brand new business from scratch and try to make it go viral on TikTok in less than 72 hours. The goal is to go from zero to building a profitable business with potential to grow. And I feel like I came up with a pretty solid strategy to make that happen, so let's break it down. The game plan is very simple. I'll be capitalizing on one of the greatest opportunities of all time. I am going to be building my very own pyramid scheme.
You need to leave.
I'm actually going to be doing what I do best. Over the last 4 years, I have built multiple online stores that have generated millions of dollars in sales. So that's what we're gonna do. I spent the last couple of hours researching products to sell, and I think I found the perfect one. So the plan is build a Shopify store for this product, create a TikTok video, run that as an ad, have an influencer post that ad, and hopefully we can make it out of the trenches. Then we'll review all the results from this challenge and see if it's really possible to become an overnight sensation on TikTok. So the clock's already ticking. I'm running super low on time. I haven't built anything for this challenge. We gotta get started first by building the store. So let's do it. First, let's talk about the product. Over the last 6 months, I have consistently been seeing shower heads popping off on TikTok. There's really just been one main version that's been blowing up. This store, Zen Bodies, has scaled this version of a shower head to the highest levels that I've seen any TikTok store go. If I had to guess, I would say these guys have made around $2 to $3 million selling this product. Now, the other day when I was on Instagram, my friend sent me a new version of the shower head that is taking off that I'd never seen before. So let's check it out. All right, so as you can see, this shower head is super dope. It has its own custom flow, and I've never seen anything like this in my life, so I think it could definitely go viral. When you're looking for a product to sell, one of the best opportunities is looking for something that's already working, but finding a slightly different version of that product so that you can bring something new to the already booming marketplace. I also noticed something really funny in the comments. Everybody is tagging their girlfriend and saying that this product might make them go single for obvious reasons. So I came up with a really funny idea for an ad that we're gonna do, but we'll get into that a little bit later. I was actually able to secure a super clean domain as well. I got the name Vortex. I think it's the perfect name for this product. So let's go ahead and build the store. Cue store building montage now. It's been about an hour and I just got done designing the majority of the store, so let's have a look. For the logo, I just went into Photoshop and made something extremely simple. I took a nice bold font and I added this little icon that I got from the Noun project. I made it blue and I put it on the website, and this is what we got. For the homepage design, I try to keep it really clean and simple. We put a little 50% off and free shipping. We compare our product to what they already have. This is the actual product page itself, which is where 99% of the customers are going to end up on. I spent most of my time working on this, making sure that the images were super clean. I made some custom photos here, as you can see. I cropped out some stuff using Photoshop, and overall, I just wanted to make this as clean and straightforward as possible. At this point, the site is pretty much done and ready to launch. Now it's time to work on the ad. I watch a lot of TikToks, so my goal for this ad is to make it fit in with all the rest of the videos on the For You page. I think if I made this look like a commercial, people would scroll right past it. There's this trend on TikTok that has been blowing up where people show something that they really want, sometimes for the wrong reasons, and then they slam a credit card on the table as hard as they can.
Damn, what is that, bro?
So I got my friend Sabrina, who has around 30K followers on TikTok, to recreate this trend with the shower head. I'm gonna edit together the clip that she sent me and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, I just finished up the ad. It was one of the simplest edits I've ever done, but I think it could do pretty well. By the way, I used a copyrighted song, so I can't show that to you, but thankfully, I made my own version just for you.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told
Damn, what is that, bro?
Top ฉันไม่กลัวแฟนวิว
Nah, it's pretty funny. It's just a simple ad, but it fits on the exact criteria of what we were talking about. I think it's super native to TikTok and it has potential to do well. Now, keep in mind, this is my first ad I've ever launched on TikTok, so I have no way of knowing if this is gonna perform, but I'm feeling confident. Last step of the day is to actually launch this on TikTok, so let's get it done. We are officially good to go. I just finished setting up the ads on TikTok and it was actually pretty easy to use. It's been an extremely busy day, but we have successfully launched this new business in just about 2 hours. I'm gonna clock out on this now, but we're gonna check in tomorrow and see how it's doing. See you guys tomorrow. Right now, it's almost 1 a.m. I'm getting ready to go to sleep and I'm on the store. And as you can see, the ads are running. We got a few visitors, but we have yet to get any sales. So I hope that tomorrow morning some sales come through. If not, we're gonna have to dig deep on our product page, on our ads, and figure out what we need to fix. Well, I hate to say it, but we are officially down bad. I woke up this morning, took a look at the store, and the results were not too good at all. Now, this is my first time trying TikTok, so I wasn't expecting to hit a home run right away, but I did have a little bit of confidence going into this test. Let me show you where we're sitting at right now. If you look, you'll see that we had 748 visitors to the site today, but not one purchase except for the test order that I made to make sure the store wasn't broken. We only have 1 day left in this challenge, so we need to make something work fast. I spent the last couple of hours optimizing my website and my product page because I think that's where we're losing a lot of people. So I actually cut the price down by about $5. I changed up 2 of the images in here, and I also made a slight adjustment to the landing page layout just so we can see if we can get some more conversions. I also added a couple more high quality reviews to make our customers feel more safe when they're making their purchase. And I made a huge realization on why I think we're getting so much traffic but no sales. So this is my TikTok ad account dashboard, and you can see that since the start of this challenge, I've spent around $108 with not a single sale. Pretty terrible. If you take a look, you'll see that over 30% of our traffic has been coming from 13 to 17-year-olds who don't even have a credit card to purchase this product. So I decided to kill my other campaign and launch a new campaign with some changes. I changed it to female only, I added Canada on top of the United States, and I changed our minimum age from 18 all the way up to 55 plus. I really feel like this ad and product can work, so I'm not giving up on it. These ads just got approved, so I'm gonna let them spend for a little bit and I'll let you guys know if we can turn this thing around. So far, we've just dug deeper into the trenches and I need to figure this out, so I'll keep you guys updated very soon.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's almost time for bed, but I wanted to share an update with you. We did successfully get our first sale, which is exciting. But so far today, we had over 1,000 visitors to the site only to get this one individual sale. So I'm gonna let this run tonight. I'm gonna pray for a miracle, and tomorrow morning we'll break down the entire results of the challenge and see how I did. Pray for me, y'all. Okay, this is just crazy. So, I really prayed about this. And then I just laid down and got ready for bed. But something was telling me right before I fall asleep to check my computer one more time. And you will not believe what happened. I have no idea how this happened, but we literally jumped to over $6,000 in sales on the day. Nah, I'm just playing. That's my main store. But listen to this. Y'all need to hear this. We literally went from having 1 order for the whole day to getting 4 orders in just 1 hour. So you know what? I just made a Hail Mary play. I just tripled my budget and launched 2 new audiences on TikTok. So we're gonna run up our ad spend and see what happens tomorrow morning. Will it flop? Will it not? We will find out very soon. So I woke up this morning and the first thing I did was run to my laptop and check the sales. Let's see if that buzzer beater play worked out. So as you can see right now, it's around 2 p.m. and today the store has done around $60 in sales. If you combine that with yesterday, you can see our total sales for this challenge are around $140. If we add up all of the expenses from this challenge, it gives us a total of $353, which would bring our total profit for this challenge at negative $213. Am I happy with the results? Kind of. Sure, we didn't build a multi-million-dollar business overnight, but in a way, I validated the potential for this product to work in the future. I truly believe if I had a little bit more time, I could turn this around and really make this product profitable. All that I would have to do is keep doing what I already did. After we launched the first campaign, we got no sales at all. So I dug deep, I figured out the problems, and I tried my best to fix them. And as you can see here, on our second campaign, we got 6 sales in total, and we had a cost per purchase of around $30. So if I spent a little more time with this product, added some upsells, improved the quality of the ad, I really think I could get this to pop off. But for now, I have a 2:30 p.m. shift at McDonald's. I actually just applied for the fry cook position because I need to get this money back. So I'll see you guys in my new video next Friday. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to see me, I will be at the McDonald's located on...
I just made a million, no more stress. Jumping out of phantoms on boats on jets.